Hey everyone! Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial for you, how to unzip RAR files on Windows. You can do this by using a free third-party software called Unzip, or by using File Explorer on an updated version of Windows 11. The first thing you'll need to do is download a tool called Unzip. Don't worry, it's free, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and install it by following the on-screen instructions. To unzip a RAR file, just right-click on it. Select Open With, then on Unzip File Manager. You will be able to see the contents of the RAR file. To extract the file, simply click on the extract icon, then choose a location where the file will be extracted, then click on OK. The file is now unzipped. If you have an updated version of Windows 11, then you will be able to natively open a RAR file. To do this, just highlight the RAR file, then right-click on it. Select Open With, then on Windows Explorer. Highlight the file, then right-click on it and select Copy. Paste it to your preferred location. You have now unzipped a RAR file using Windows Explorer.